if I know what day I want to propose, say I've got a target day in mind, right?
Yeah.
Birthday, holiday, whatever it would be. How much earlier than that should I come into the store for the first time?
Yep.
At the latest?
That's a great way to phrase it, because if you don't know what you're doing as custom or not, start shopping at least 2 months early. Because if you come in and you pick out a setting that I have to order, it can take 3 to 6 weeks. If we have to go back and forth a little bit, as you've seen, we'll do CAD designs where we're emailing back and forth, or we're texting you a 3D video where you can spin the ring and you can look at it. Best case scenario, we have what you need in store. And if you're not in a hurry, you don't need it for 2 months, and we get it done in a week, great. Now you're just prepared and ready to go. And you have the ring in hand when you go to ask your significant other's parents for permission, if you're traditional and going to do that. Mm-hmm. And as I've always said, sometimes just having the ring in the box and setting it on the table and opening it for that conversation it says all the words you need it to say. Having done it, it's difficult to initiate that. But when you just open the box, in my case, my father-in-law knew exactly what I was trying to say. And it became a very nice conversation, and he hugged me. And so it's nice to go into that conversation with ring in hand as well.